I was paying $320 per month for car insurance. This one trick cut it to $98. I used to think car insurance was just one of those bills you had to suffer through. Every single month, $320 gone. No questions asked. No explanation. Just pay it, and move on. And honestly, I didn't even question it at first. I thought, that's normal. Everyone pays this much. But then one day, something hit me. Why am I paying more for insurance than some people pay for their actual car? That's when I decided to dig deeper, and what I found completely changed everything. It started with a simple question. What am I actually paying for? So I opened my policy, and I'll be real with you, it looked confusing. Full coverage, liability limits, deductibles, a bunch of terms that most people ignore. But hidden inside all that, was the reason I was overpaying. I had coverage I didn't even need. And I was being charged for it every single month. Here's the crazy part. Insurance companies don't automatically give you the best rate. They give you a comfortable rate. A rate that you won't question. A rate that slowly drains your money, without you noticing. And unless you take action, it stays that way forever. So I decided to test something. I went online. And instead of sticking with my current provider, I started comparing quotes. Not just one or two. I checked 5 different companies. Geico, Progressive, State Farm, even some smaller ones I had never heard of. And what I saw shocked me. For the exact same coverage, prices ranged from $310, all the way down to $110. Same car. Same driver. Same everything. Just different companies, charging completely different prices. That's when I realized something powerful. Loyalty doesn't save you money in insurance. Comparison does. Insurance companies don't reward you for staying. They reward new customers. So if you've been with the same company for years, chances are, you're overpaying. But here's where the real trick comes in. And this is what dropped my bill from $320 to $98. Instead of just switching companies, I adjusted my deductible. Now listen carefully, because this is where most people get it wrong. Your deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance covers the rest. I had mine set at $250. Sounds good, right? Low risk, low payment if something happens. But here's what I didn't realize. That low deductible was costing me hundreds every month. So I increased it. From $250 to $1,000. And instantly, my monthly premium dropped. Not a little. A lot. Then I combined that with another move. I removed unnecessary add-ons. Things like rental car reimbursement I never used. Roadside assistance I already had through another service. Extra coverage that didn't match my car's value. Each one seemed small. But together, they were silently increasing my bill. After making those changes, I went back and compared quotes again. And this time, I found it. A plan for $98 per month. Same essential coverage. Same protection. But over $220 cheaper than what I was paying before. Let that sink in. That's over $2,600 saved in a year. From one simple adjustment and a little comparison. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is it risky to raise the deductible? Fair question. And the answer is, only if you're not prepared. If you can comfortably handle a $1,000 emergency, then there's no reason to pay extra every month just to avoid that. Because statistically, most people don't even file a claim in a year. So you're basically paying high premiums for something you might never use. Another thing that helped? I improved my credit score. A lot of people don't know this. But in the US, insurance companies actually use your credit score to calculate your premium. Better score equals lower risk equals lower price. Even a small improvement can reduce your monthly bill. And one more tip that most people ignore. Ask for discounts. Seriously. Just ask. You'd be surprised how many are available. Safe driver discount. Low mileage discount. Bundling home plus auto. Good student discount. Insurance companies won't always apply these automatically. Sometimes, you have to bring it up. So if you're still paying a high premium right now, here's what you should do today. 1. Compare at least 3 to 5 insurance providers. 2. Increase your deductible, if financially safe. 3. Remove unnecessary add-ons. 4. Check your credit score. 5. Ask for hidden discounts. Do this once, and you could save thousands. Look, I'm not saying insurance is cheap. But I am saying, most people are paying way more than they should. I was one of them. $320 every month, gone. Until I stopped trusting the system blindly. And started questioning it. Now I pay $98. For the same peace of mind. And honestly, the only thing that changed was that I finally took control. So the real question is, how much are you overpaying right now?